Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to disable quick access as the default File Explorer view on your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in File Explorer Options. Best match, should come back with File Explorer Options. Go ahead and open that up. And now under the General tab, which should be the default landing page here, where it says Open File Explorer 2, click the drop down and select this PC. And now you'll select Apply and OK. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.